Today I'll show you how to reset network setting any iPhone. Sometimes Wi-Fi problem, Bluetooth problem, VPN setting problem, cellular data problem are all function you need to reset your network setting. You see the reset all time network Wi-Fi connection but no working. At that time you have to reset network. Tap on go to setting, then tap on general, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then hit reset, then hit reset network setting, and then reset network setting and put your enter passcode, phone passcode, then hit the network setting and wait for a couple seconds. That's it. Now your phone will be working brand new, look like that. This is the common problem now any iPhone. If you reset the network, you can connect a good Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth connection, cellular network connection will be good, VPN setting good. If you do network setting, you lost Wi-Fi network and password, Bluetooth password connection, anything. Just you have to put the password again. Thank you for watching this video.